Hey everyone, I hope you had a great spring break. I just wanted to give a rundown of how we are going to manage the rest of the school year with our Algebra EOC fastly approaching. It is going to be on April the 28th. However, we still have content. We have the rest of this unit on proofs, and then we will have our Unit 9 over trig functions. We are going to pause all in-class assessments, that includes quizzes and unit tests. We will wait until May to have the unit test for our current unit and then as well as our next unit. So no more in-class assessments. The only thing that will be required are the homework quizzes. Of course, there's no true deadline for those, so students can work on those at their own pace. So each day we will work on our current content as well as reviewing for the Algebra EOC together. However, I do encourage the students to be reviewing outside of class. We will not have time to explore and review everything thoroughly. We will do the best that we can. The students have received one EOC review packet and they have access to the answer key. I just want to share a few of our EOC resources that I have put together. These resources are found right here on our front page. I'm not going to go over everything, but just a couple of things. First of all, the state of Georgia has issued some resources such as the algebra formula sheet that students have had access throughout the school year. They will also have access to this during the EOC, as well as the Desmos calculator. We have been getting familiar with the platform. There's also some other items I want to go over, including the testing experience. So this is the actual platform that the students will be using. It's the same platform that they've used in the past for their milestones. So the EOC is just one type of milestone. There's an EOC and of course, and then an EOG, the end of grade, which is what the students have been taking up to this point. So this will be the first milestone where the grade counts toward their course average. The other thing that I wanted to share, not that, let's go to the next one. I have put together some derivative practice quizzes. These are not for a grade, but I did it by topic, so students can pick and choose the ones that they want to review, all of them, some of them, none of them. But regardless, I also made a little checklist so that they could keep up with any of the topics that they struggled with and any particular questions they can just jot here and maybe some comments that to remind them of what they may want to ask me in class. So anything they want to review, they can keep up with that with this checklist, which I will give them tomorrow. I also wanted to go over our calendar. So again, it is an A week. However, tomorrow and Tuesday will be B days. So tomorrow and Tuesday will be B days. Students will report to their connection classes, but then on Wednesday, we will continue with the A week schedule. Again, our Algebra EOC milestone will be on April the 28th. I will go over this more with the students tomorrow. Again, I will issue another paper pencil packet. I think that's all I wanted to go over. Again, all in-class quizzes and unit tests will be put on pause until May. I hope you have a great Sunday evening.